Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to unlink or remove bank account from crypto.com. For that, you need to come to crypto.com and then you just have to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. After that, you need to tap on the accounts tab and select the fiat wallet option. Over here you will be able to see the cryptocurrency or the setup new cryptocurrency option. So you just have to simply select this option and then you just have to select the currency option. As in my country euro is available, so you just have to tap on euro. If you already have linked your bank account with crypto.com, then right next to euro you will be able to see completed. So you just have to simply tap on that and then you will be able to see your bank account in this section. So in order to remove it, you just have to tap on your bank account once and then you will be able to see a minus button in the red color. So you just have to either tap on it or you can even swipe to the right your bank account and there you will be able to see the remove bank option. So you need to tap on the remove bank option in order to unlink your bank account from crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.